I see a new Africa, not the one we've been told, but the one we will all create. I see a new Africa, the Africa that will lead the world and change the narrative of our generation, the Africa that will take back our lands from the hands of wolves. The new Africa I see is the Africa that will develop its people. It is the Africa that will love and embrace unity. The Africa I see is the Africa that will allow entrepreneurship and businesses to thrive. It is the Africa that will have value for human life. The Africa I see is the Africa where leaders will be committed to serving the nations, and the citizens will be committed to making their nations a better place. The Africa I see is the Africa where there will be no tribalism or discrimination of any sort, because we will see ourselves as one family and brothers and sisters with each person's unique differences. The Africa I see is the Africa where our differences will be celebrated, and we will leverage those differences to make our continent a better place. The Africa I see is the Africa that will feed the world because we will have more than enough food to give, not the ones that have been borrowed, but the ones we have cultivated on our own arable lands. The Africa I see is the Africa that will embrace the world with love and kindness. It is the Africa that will celebrate equity and justice. The Africa I see is the Africa that will develop talents of the youths and teach children the way they should go. The Africa I see is the Africa that will create strong institutions and judiciary systems that will uphold the law and order in the continent. The Africa I see is the Africa that will allow human rights to thrive and let people enjoy their freedom. The Africa I see is the Africa that will let people value and appreciate one another. The Africa I see is the Africa where people will be satisfied and content with what they have, and there will be no greed or selfishness. The Africa I see is the Africa that will start from each and every one of us. It is the Africa that will start from you. Happy New Month, friends. Happy Workers' Day. If you enjoy this post, kindly share with someone. Thanks for your support. Read next. 10 Powerful Areas of Our Strengths. Hi there. I'm Sopiens, a passionate African with a deep love for knowledge and personal development. I've been part of the knowledge industry for the past 7 years. While I'm a health specialist by profession, my interests extend far beyond that. I'm equally fascinated by food, science, research, and everything related to learning. I hope you'll stick around and enjoy my posts and articles. Welcome! Will you like to write a book, share your story, ideas, or knowledge in a book? Now it's easier than ever. In 3 weeks, your book will be written and published. Send a message to bookmindsgmail.com. Get my books on Amazon, my Amazon books. If you want customized songs for you or your loved one's birthday, wedding, or any ceremony, I Say Music got you. Contact +31,685,154,335 WhatsApp message only. For support and sponsorship, contact sopiansofgod@gmail.com. You can also check out these posts. 1. Why most Black people are poor. 2. Everything you need is in the hands of people. 3. 7 surprising ways to lose weight. 4. What to do when you are confused. Kindly drop your comments. Remember to like, comment, and share. Thanks for watching.